So I'm out of the wind now, and I just thought I would just add to this what we might be thinking about in these situations where particularly perhaps we want to advocate for ourselves, or where usually we might be shouting or expressing or shrinking ourselves. It might be actually be that we do want to be saying something in some of these situations, or even in an overwhelming environment. So I just thought I'd let you know what I think some of those things might be. And one might be that actually we realise that we need to have better boundaries. We need to be able to, rather than be expressing and fighting, we need to get some clarity perhaps away from the situation about what's okay and what's not okay for us, and be able to communicate that from a much more safe and calm version of ourselves, rather than the reactive fighting version of ourselves. If it's flight, I think it is, again, as I said before, about leaving the situation calmly from a place of choice, feeling safe and trusting our own ourselves, and being able to move away from the situation calmly. Again, it's still moving away, but it's from a place of calm and trust, rather than from a place of fear. The other one around freeze, again, I think it's about, it could be asking for help in that situation. It could be reaching out to somebody around us and being able, from a calm place, being able to say, I'm not okay in this situation, could you help me? Could you direct me to somewhere? Having some strategies for that, which we can, once we've found that calm sense in ourselves, we can reach out, perhaps ask for some help. It may also be to share, again, a boundary, or to say to somebody more assertively than maybe we have in the past, an opinion or how we feel about something. And again, with the please or fawning response as well, that reactive one, again, it's about having different strategies, which may be having some confidence to say no in a situation. It may be something about, again, a boundary or expressing an opinion. Maybe it'll be getting clarity away from the situation about perhaps what our opinion or our preferences are, and feeling more, again, trust in ourselves and being able to express those from a calm place, even though we know there may be disagreement on the other side. So those are just a few examples of how our responses, our calm and trust in ourself responses, can be different than our reactive, automatic reactions. So I hope that's been helpful, and just remember that the behaviour you do, what you actually do on the outside, may not look completely different, but it's coming from a very different place and part of you in that situation. That's the key, the state that you're in when you make your choice and then act on that decision. See you soon.